Selling vegetable on Amazon Fresh is actually pretty easy, guys. I think to do today, I'm going to teach you how you can sell vegetable on Amazon Fresh. And so, guys, in order to do that, you need to have an Amazon business account. The first thing you can do, open Amazon business account, and you can see here I'm just going to search for Amazon Prime, and then you have to search for business account. Now after searching for that, you have to go this website which should say Amazon Prime Business, and here we'll easily be able to create account, and of which will be your business account, and the business account will be able you now to sell the fresh item as well, and this fresh item also contain a vegetable, and which will easily be able to list them, right? And so that is pretty much, and that's how you can able to do. I hope, guys, this video helpful for you.